Hi, I'm Chris Shupe. I lead the AdWorks team within GE Additive. I'm here at Forum Next this year, and I'm answering Alina's question on Ask GE Additive. Alina's question is around what are the key barriers to adoption in metal AM? I think there's a lot of suspected issues around adoption. Some of them are real, some of them are implied. One of the ones that I love to talk about is culture in companies or organizational structure within companies. When you think about a lot of companies have spent a lot of time to develop expertise around how to make things traditionally. When you want to change to AM, it automatically creates some tension in an organization. So educating the organization about what's different about AM, but what's also the same. In the end, you're still making metal, whether it's a casting, a forging, or an AM part, it's going to be metal. So treat it like it's metal. So some of that education piece, and then it's an organizational discussion around culture and awareness to say, how do I better implement AM and create a winning business case for the company so that ultimately you can have a great business outcome. So that's one of the key areas of adoption barriers that we see within companies from a cultural and organizational perspective. Certainly material data, machine robustness, those are other things that we focus on as part of GE Additive to really help enable our customers go from prototyping through to full volume production. So hopefully that helped, Alina. If you have any more questions, please go to GE Additive or ge.com/additive.